Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Odyssey. We're talking about that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the relays for the front cigarette lighters are located, which relay you need to check. Stay with us guys, we will explain that in this video. Today you may have up to 2 relays, but we will explain which one is for the rear one if you need it as well. Also we will explain where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way you don't waste your time, money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be shared for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So here now, guys, what do we have specifically? We're going to demonstrate on a 2015 Honda Odyssey where the front cigarette lighter relay is located, guys. So if it doesn't work, check this relay. What do we need to do? We need to go, guys, to the passenger side. Okay, right here inside. Your Honda Odyssey has 5 different fuse boxes, but we need to work in that one here on the passenger side. Under the glove box on that kick panel, you remove the cover and you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, guys, which relays we need to check for front cigarette lighter, also known as power outlet. So if you come right here, you have 2 rows of relays, right? If we zoom in a little bit, okay, that relay here and this one here, that's relay 4 and 5. That will be the relays that you will need to check for cigarette lighter, guys. Right here, 4 and 5 for the front. You may have 1 or 2 depending on which configuration you have, and relay this actually 5 and 6, and relay number 4 is for the rear cigarette lighter. So all these 3 relays that you have here are for cigarette lighter and power outlet. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.